Gomphocarpus physocarpus is a plant in the milkweed family, often used as an ornamental for the striking yellowish ball-like fruits. The name physocarpa comes from the Greek physa, meaning bladder, and karpos is fruit, referring to the inflated bladder-like fruits. It has a plethora of a common name including balloon plant, balloon cotton bush, balloon milkweed, elephant balls, and hairy balls. The balloon plant is an upright, herbaceous plant or soft shrub that can grow over 6 feet tall from the fibrous root. The slender, single-stemmed trunk has multiple hollow, pale yellowish-green branch. The smooth, texture-light green opposite leaves are 3 to 4 inch long. Balloon plant is easily propagated from seed. Ripe seed is rapidly collected from the fruit as they start to split open. If frost threatens before the seed ripen, branch with large pods can be cut and kept in water to give the seed more time to mature. Sow indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost to transplant into the ground.